recognized in the market as a quality industrial equipment distributor. It has been a wonderful experience, and Flaps is going to take you all through what we've done to arrive at what we are launching today, and it is hugely exciting. So guys, sit back in your lacquer comfortable chairs, nosh your popcorn, enjoy your slashes, and listen to the show. Enjoy.
What makes Goscor unique? What makes it different? What makes you different?
One of the biggest things that drove me to Goscor was passion. And I think you've seen the passion for the sales team and what we've got for this industry.
What stood out to me is the way you've put the words Goscor close together. And I think it's you're pulling all the companies closer together. And I have a passion for customer relationship. And I think CRM is something that all the companies can pull together.
I think you need to measure yourself, your success, measure your own success. Are you competent? Do you have the correct training? Make sure that the people that you do work with are in the correct place.
The best feeling for me is to be able to say that I've got a team that isn't just my team that supports me from keeping my clients happy or anything. It's like a family where they actually support you in your day-to-day life, as long as, whether it's hectic at home or whatever it is, we share that passion and we pick each other up, and it's so easy to carry all of those things with us.
Agility is empowering you, our staff, every day. So you can make things happen.
In a world where average became the benchmark, premium is our only measure, choosing to serve beyond comparison, beyond reason, beyond reproach, beyond measure. Where some will always settle for par, we commit to go beyond. Dreaming big, exploring wide, seeing possibility, lending a hand, being alert, setting the course, choosing to rise, finding a way, going beyond. Go passionately, go professional, go smart, go together, go beyond. Goscor, beyond.